Hey, what's going on, guys? Brian Brewer here, and in today's video, what we're going to talk about is something really cool, because this is a really hot trend right now. And what we're going to talk about is we're going to talk about how to make money using TikTok. But we're going to do it a little bit differently than most people because, guys, I've been in the digital marketing space since 2012. So a lot of times I see the different angles. So here's how we're going to kind of approach this differently. It's kind of going to give us a competitive advantage here. So first, let's say, what do we know about TikTok, right? Well, we know it's hot right now. We know everybody's rushing to TikTok of all ages, and everyone wants to figure out how they can monetize TikTok because it's really easy to get a ton of views on TikTok right now because it's so brand new. Everybody's flooding to the platform. So that's a pretty big opportunity, and we want to take advantage of it. The problem is a whole lot of people outside of the big brands on there, they haven't really figured out a good way to monetize TikTok yet. And I think I have the answer here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you inside my computer and I'm going to break down the whole system for you, basically show you what you need to do every step of the way so you can start jumping on this trend and actually making money with TikTok. But before we jump into the computer, I really want to get your mind frame right. What we have to think about here is we have to look at where the real opportunity is, right? So, for instance, it seems like it's a great opportunity, a great time to really build an audience on TikTok, right? And it is, no doubt about that. But that's what everybody's doing, okay? So let me put it like this. Think about the gold rush, all right? The California gold rush. So what happened is news spread that there was gold in California. So what people did is they set off across the country and the gold rush was on, right? They all went over there, or not everybody, but a lot of people went over there in search of dreams of striking gold and becoming rich. But the problem is that's what everybody was doing. And so what would happen is they would pack up, they'd go over to California, and as soon as they got there, the first thing they had to do was they had to buy their gold mining tools, right? They had to buy their little pans that swish around and their little pickaxes to chip the gold out of the rock and whatever. I've never actually done any gold mining, so I don't really know exactly what you need. But the point is, the first thing they did was they buy the tools that they need, the jeans, the equipment, the clothing, whatever. Well, what happened is, turns out, really, there wasn't as much gold to be had as people thought, and it wasn't necessarily as easy to find as it seemed. So after everything was all said and done, the real people who made the money were not the miners, not the people who rushed to go grab the gold. It was the people who were selling the tools. You know what I mean? And so they're the ones who really profited from the gold rush. So that's kind of what I want to show you in this video. I want to show you how to kind of get in front of this trend using TikTok, of course. But I want to teach you how to become the people selling the tools. So you're not the one chasing the gold. You're the one who's actually profiting here. So the way we're going to do this is we're going to do this with affiliate marketing. Now, if you're not familiar with what affiliate marketing is very simple. I, as the marketer, partner with a company who already has products. Now, I refer people to that company, and when people buy their products, well, that company pays me a commission. Okay, it's kind of like becoming a freelance digital marketer for them. Now, this is all tracked with a unique URL that I get as the affiliate, right? So when people click on my unique link, and they go over there and purchase the product, that's when I earn the commission. So as we jump inside the computer here, I'm going to show you the Legendary Marketer program. Now, this is a great affiliate program because they have a lot of offers in here, and this is great for beginners because it converts really well, and there's some high ticket commission opportunities. As a matter of fact, you're on the Becoming Legendary channel right now. This whole entire channel is dedicated to helping you make more money with Legendary Marketer affiliate programs. So if that sounds good, you want to make more money online, and you want to do it with the best program going right now, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on bell notifications. That way you do get notified when I release a brand new free training just like this one. Okay, so the first thing you're going to have to do is become a partner with Legendary Marketer. And the reason we do affiliate marketing is because, for instance, when we have an opportunity like this, TikTok becomes huge. Everyone wants to know how to grow on TikTok. So if we think back to my story I told just a second ago, right? Sell the tools. Well, it would be great for us to sell a course on how to grow on TikTok or more importantly, how to generate leads using TikTok, right? Because that's something people who have businesses, entrepreneurs, personal brands, that's something people would be interested in, is how to get free leads from TikTok, right? You may have been interested in how to get free leads from TikTok before. So what we could do to be the tool salesman, to be the person selling the tools and make sure we're the ones who profit, we could go out there and we could create a course that showed people how to generate free leads from TikTok. But that's going to take time. That's going to take knowledge. It's going to take some sort of investment to actually create the course and host the course. And we don't really want to do that. At least I don't. That's why I love affiliate marketing. So what we do is we partner with something like Legendary Marketer. And I'm going to show you exactly what we can do to get started instantly. But of course, as you may have guessed, the first thing you need to do is actually become an approved affiliate with Legendary Marketer. So the first thing you're going to want to do after you watch this video and understand the strategy is go over to this website right here. It's my15daychallenge.com. And what you're going to do is you're going to get an opportunity to learn a little bit more about Legendary Marketer, see if it's a good fit for you. And then if so, you'll just fill out like a quick 3-second application, 3-question application, and then you can go ahead and get started with the Legendary Marketer affiliate program. Now there's a super tiny investment, but it's like less than $10. And what you're going to see here in this video is how we can take that small investment and actually turn it around into a very profitable business that we can start instantly and monetize using TikTok, right? Okay, so now that we went over to my 15-day challenge, we got into the system, we become an approved affiliate. What you're going to see here is you have the opportunity as an affiliate with Legendary Marketer to promote this particular program right here. And what this is called 15-second free leads. And as you may have guessed, if you're familiar with TikTok, because TikTok videos are 15 seconds, they can be longer, but that is one of the options. And that's why they named it 15-second free leads, right? So the cool thing is you can promote this to people on TikTok, and it's a very low non-committal offer, right? So like if someone's scrolling through TikTok, think of it like this, and they're thinking, man, I don't know how to grow on TikTok. I don't know how to generate leads from TikTok. And they saw that there's this course that's 15-second free leads that shows you how to generate leads with TikTok, and it only costs $1. Well, you'd be probably pretty likely to take them up on that offer, right? Because you're in the mindset of growing on TikTok, and $1 is nothing, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to promote this product, and you're going to do so on TikTok. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second. But what happens is when people come over here and buy this, this may only earn you a very teeny tiny commission. But what happens here is you get them into the Legendary Marketer ecosystem, and they have upsells, right? They have additional upsells that they're going to offer to the people you sent over to 15-second free leads. And when they buy the upsells, you are going to earn more of the commissions. Let's just go over to this really quickly. Let's see if I can find it. Legendary Marketer commission payout chart. You're going to see there's some huge commission opportunities here with the Legendary Marketer affiliate program. So this is why it's such a great opportunity. But you can see down here towards the bottom, I don't know if you can see these. You can earn like up to $2,800 for one sale. And that's what you do. You get people into the ecosystem with this $1 TikTok leads program, right? Okay, so now that we got that, I think that makes sense. What we're trying to do is we're trying to be the tool sellers, right? We're selling tools to the miners who want to mine the gold. So we're on the side that's guaranteed to be profitable. We're promoting a relevant offer to an engaged audience, right? If you're on TikTok and you're looking on TikTok, you're going to be thinking about growing on TikTok, right? We got a huge opportunity because we can promote this on TikTok in front of our engaged audience. And right now it's super simple to get a lot of views on TikTok. So we got a great opportunity. We got a relevant offer, and we have a captive audience that is going to be targeted traffic. So all of the boxes are checked. So what we need to do is we actually need to go ahead and create our TikTok account. Very super simple, very straightforward. Now, if you just start a new TikTok account, you're not actually going to be able to post a link in your bio. So you can't link directly to this sales page, and you shouldn't link directly to that sales page anyways. And I'm going to show you what you should do instead and how to overcome not having the actual link. So what you can do on TikTok is you can create you can put your social profiles in there, right? Like you can put your YouTube channel in your TikTok profile. So what you do is you go over to YouTube and just go over to youtube.com/channel_switcher. And what you want to do is you want to create a brand new channel and call it like 15-second leads or TikTok marketing strategies or something along those lines. So create a brand new channel, use some sort of header if you want that talks about 15-second free leads. You can just do something like go over to canva.com. You don't have to be a graphic designer here. Oops, not Canvan. You want to go to canva.com. And then what you can do is you can actually just go ahead and create a design. And then what you want to do is you want to just create YouTube channel art, right? So go ahead and then it's going to give you this template, and this is free to use, so don't worry about that. Just choose one that's in line with the brand that you want to establish here. And that's probably not the best one, but let's say like we wanted to do this one. And then, so we can just choose this one and we can do TikTok marketing. Boom. Now that's our channel art, right? So that we're going to upload that to the channel, right? Everybody knows what channel art is, I think. So you just download this, upload this to the new channel that you created after you created a new channel on YouTube Channel Switcher. Well, then what you're going to do is then you're just going to shoot one video, like 2 to 3 minute video. And you can just use your phone, selfie style if you want. You go outside if you want some good lighting or what have you, go in front of a window, whatever. And just shoot a quick video that talks about the opportunity of TikTok. Say, hey, welcome to my channel. Hey, we all know that TikTok is a huge opportunity right now because we can get a lot of views very quickly, even as a new account. If you want to learn more about how you can generate free leads for your business using TikTok, then go ahead and check out the link in the description below this video, and we'll send you over to TikTok free leads, right? So then we're going to send people over to one of two places. You can either send them directly to this sales page, or if you want, what you can do is you can actually go in the Legendary Marketer ecosystem here in the back office. And if you click on this custom funnels thing here, scroll down to the Legendary Marketer 15-second free leads template. And watch this. If you click on this right here, and what you do is you get a Clickfunnels account. And if you don't know what Clickfunnels is, it's a drag and drop website builder, which makes everything super simple. That way you can launch a website really easily, and they'll host it for you, and they'll collect all your emails for you and all that good stuff. Well, if you take that link that's inside the Legendary Marketer back office here and go ahead and paste that into your browser, after you have the Clickfunnels account, what you're going to see here is this is going to automatically import that funnel into your Clickfunnels account. You see, this is my Clickfunnels account. So I'll just say add funnel, and it's going to automatically bring this into my account. So I don't even have to design it. I don't have to think about like what sort of copy I want to write. I just use the funnel that they give me. And this is how I'm going to collect email addresses, right? And more instructions about importing the funnel are actually right in this video here that is in the back office of Legendary Marketers. So I'm not going to cover that, but it's super simple. So what that's going to do is it's allowing you to generate leads as well. So you can actually follow up with them and promote additional offers, and you can promote additional offers that are inside the Legendary Marketer ecosystem. And that's how you can also hopefully earn those high ticket commissions that we talked about earlier. So guys, that's the process of monetizing TikTok. Then what you want to do is after you have your YouTube channel linked and you have that one video with the link to the affiliate program in the description of the YouTube video, then you just go on TikTok and you create videos that speak to the ideal customer. And what you want to use is kind of like a hook story offer approach, right? So what you might do is you might do a quick little 15-second video. Hey TikTok, if you want to generate more leads for your business, then check this out. So I was searching for a way to get more traffic to my business using TikTok, and I came across 15-second free leads. It's a great program that's going to show you the tricks to doing this. If you want to learn more, go ahead and check out my bio and go check out my YouTube channel, right? So that's going to be the strategy. And you gotta change the hook story offer up a little bit. But you just keep posting these videos because people are going to be interested in growing on TikTok. So it's super relevant. And what's going to happen here is when people see that you're offering a program that shows people how to generate leads with TikTok, what are they going to do? Because they're interested, because it's relevant, they're going to click over to your bio. And that should, those clicks over to your biography, those clicks should help your videos do much better than the typical videos. So it's kind of like a win-win situation. And the whole key here is being relevant. So if this sounds cool, the first thing you want to do is once again go over to my15daychallenge.com, because you have to become an approved affiliate with Legendary Marketer before this is going to work. And then just go ahead and set up these steps. Shouldn't take you more than a couple of hours. And then it's as simple as 15-second videos, just like 15-second free leads tells you, and just start pumping out the content and you'll get the affiliate commissions. And once again, we're just getting them into the ecosystem with the $1 kind of call it like a tripwire offer here, right? Little tripwire offer. They only spend $1, but then Legendary Marketer is actually going to sell more stuff on your behalf, and you're going to get credit for it when they do, and that's how you're going to earn the big commissions. So guys, I hope this was super helpful. If you want to learn more about Legendary Marketer, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, check out all the videos. Remember, that is the purpose of this channel, is to help you make more money with Legendary Marketer affiliate program. We'll see you soon. Go out there and start generating leads with TikTok. Just remember, guys, make sure you become the person selling the tools and not the person chasing the gold. Have a great day.